So pretty. It's raining and it's leaking inside my apartment. Wow. Wow, what's up? It's already 8 a.m. so I have to get there by 9 a.m. So it takes me 10 minutes to get there, so I still have 50 minutes. And my makeup is almost done. Okay, right now all the makeup is done. So pretty. Quick fit check. Like this dress got shells on it. Oh, there. No, can't go out. Today is officially the first day. Little bit. Right now my feelings are okay, really. Maybe because I'm working too early. I don't know. But if it's gonna be bad, well, I can change that one. Just let it be. Yep. I arrived at the new company. Wish me luck. Really wish me luck. On my way home in my lunch. Break. Hey girls, I'm back. Hey, I'm so tired. My life is so itchy. I don't know why. Finally, I'm home. Technically, this half day I really did nothing. The human resource tell me to just watch. What are you doing? I'm here. Human resources just asked me to watch the other live streamer do what he's doing, how he's doing, and honestly, I think that live streamer is so unprofessional and it was super boring this morning. So boring. This afternoon, I'm going to take my own laptop and watch Marvel movies because today I will be part of the job is selling some Marvel character collectibles. Since I don't know a lot about that, so I need to, learn the relevant information about it. I gotta go. No wait. But look this new bag that I got. Super cute. Love. Laptop, phone. I just back home and I just had dinner with my ex-colleague and it's raining outside. I'm riding my e-bike and look at my hair. It's sweat all over it. Oh, it's so wet. Today is the first day of the new job. Honestly, if I'm going to rate it would be 0 out of 10 because they even asked me to go live for consecutively 5 hours and I have to constantly speak for 5 hours. I mean, how can I do that? And it's not like they offer me such high paycheck. I just couldn't get it. By the way, meantime, this brand that I used to work for just the owner of vavalash wants me to be their brand ambassador of their cluster. So tomorrow I can get their latest. I will be the first one to try the latest cluster. I'm so excited, but still, this job, whole new job, it's a disaster. It's a disaster. What we're going to do with it? I don't know what we're going to do with it. But tonight, on the way back home, it's raining and the raindrop is so huge. They're like dropping, they're like hitting on my face, and all I'm thinking is, what about my job? What about my job? What about my job? Like, the rain was all over my body, and all I was thinking is only the job. I don't know what should I do, but hey, check the nails, still so pretty. It's raining and it's leaking inside my apartment. What am I going to do? Wow. The building manager told me this method. So far it's working. Let it work. I had an allergy. Oh, my body is itchy everywhere. Really everywhere. Can't beat the sushi I ate tonight. Really, like, I feel my legs is itchy everywhere, and my hands itchy everywhere. I don't know why. Maybe I should take medicine. I'm really itchy everywhere. What about this ointment?